today in advance of a storm system that is slated to reach us this time tomorrow with some very wet and windy conditions. We're rating it a number 2 on our storm impact scale, but the sun coming up after 7 o'clock looks pretty good right here from our roof camera. It's cold though. Santa Rosa 36, 38 in Napa, 41 Novato, 34 by the Delta, 37 in Livermore. Elsewhere we've got more 40s around the bay. We will be looking at temperatures to climb into the 50s today, so seasonal outlook for your noontime hour, and by 4 o'clock we're still dry, increasing clouds though, and looking at maybe the possibility of a north bay shower before the evening is out. We'll track tomorrow's storm and wind, also snow for you coming up. Chris?
Lisa, thank you. New this morning, Saudi women are heading to polling stations across their country today to vote for the first time in a landmark election. More than